Far out in the open ocean, a massive structure stands alone, an offshore oil rig, surrounded by water in every direction. Below this platform, deep under the ocean floor, lies crude oil, hidden for millions of years. From above, the ocean looks calm, but beneath the surface, a complex operation begins. Heavy drilling systems lower deep into the seabed, cutting through layers of rock, searching for oil trapped far below. Inside the rig, powerful machines work continuously. Day and night, wind moves across the ocean. Waves hit the structure, but the drilling never stops. So how is oil extracted from beneath the ocean? How do machines reach so deep below the seabed? To understand this process, we must begin at the start of offshore drilling. The drilling has reached the seabed, but the journey is not over. Beneath the ocean floor, layers of rock stand in the way. Hard, dense, compressed over millions of years. To reach the oil, the drilling must go deeper. A powerful drill bit begins to rotate, slowly cutting through the rock, breaking it apart, crushing everything in its path. This process is continuous, hour after hour, day after day. As the drill moves deeper, pressure increases. Heat builds, the environment becomes more extreme. Special drilling fluid is pumped down the pipe. This fluid cools the drill and carries broken rock fragments back to the surface, keeping the path clear. Deep below the ocean, the drilling continues, searching for the hidden oil reservoir. The drill continues deeper, through layers of rock, through pressure and heat. Then something changes. The resistance becomes weaker. The drill reaches a new layer, an oil reservoir, hidden beneath the seabed, trapped under pressure for millions of years. The drilling stops. Now the extraction begins. A strong metal casing is placed into the drilled hole, stabilizing the well, preventing collapse. Next, controlled openings are created. Inside the reservoir, pressure builds. The oil begins to move, slowly at first, then faster. Crude oil starts rising through the well. From deep below the ocean floor, toward the surface, the oil is now moving upward, through the well, toward the surface. But what rises is not pure oil. It is a mixture, oil, gas, water, all combined under pressure. As the mixture reaches the platform, another process begins. Separation. Inside large steel vessels, the mixture slows down. Pressure drops. The components begin to divide. Gas rises to the top. Oil settles in the middle. Water sinks to the bottom. Each layer is collected separately. Controlled, measured. The crude oil is now ready for storage. Temporary tanks hold the oil on the platform, waiting for transport. From deep below the ocean floor to the surface of the sea, the extraction is complete. The oil is now at the surface, but the journey is not complete. From the offshore platform, crude oil must travel far. Across oceans, across continents, large pipelines carry oil from the rig. Deep under the seabed, moving slowly but continuously, some oil is loaded onto massive tankers, floating across the open ocean, carrying millions of barrels, from remote drilling sites to refineries around the world, where the oil will be transformed again, into fuel, into energy, into movement, from deep beneath the ocean floor to powering the modern world. This is the journey of offshore oil, hidden, extracted, and delivered across the planet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe for more crazy experiments.